Let's place the phone on the touch charge case, which also acts as a handphone stand. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the touch charge case for your POLY Voyager Free 60 Plus earbuds. So let's pick up the charge case by pressing on the button at the back. Let's remove the earbuds. So on the touch charge case, you can check the battery level, and this is indicating the charge case battery level as well as the battery level of the two earbuds. You can also play music. You can use a touch charge case to control the music playback with your mobile phone. You can also adjust the volume if needed. So this tab over here, you can select the auto noise cancellation as adaptive, standard, or off. And over here, you can turn off the auto noise cancellation, and it is now in the transparency mode for speech. Or you can even turn this off, or environment. So these are the few modes that you can control the earbuds using the touch charge case. Let's turn it back into auto noise cancellation, and we'll leave it as adaptive. Swiping to the left, you have got the Bluetooth pairing where you can pair a device, and the Bluetooth transmitter where if you are connecting a USB-C cable to a 3.5 audio jack on a plane, you can set this Bluetooth transmitter where the charge case will act as a transmitter wirelessly to your earbuds. So swiping to the left again, if you were to select this option, you can see the audio source that it is connected to. So these are the two devices that the earbuds are connected to. This pair of earbuds can remember up to 8 devices and can connect to 2 devices at any one time. So we have shown in the other video how when connected to 2 devices and you are in a meeting and you get an incoming call, you are able to switch to both devices respectively. And if you were to swipe all the way to the left, you see a QR code where you can scan and download the POLY Lens app on your mobile phone. Now, if you were to click on the info, it is actually showing the following: the case firmware, the earbuds firmware, as well as the serial number, which we have blanked out. So we are going to show you the installation of the POLY Lens app using the QR code. So from our mobile phone, we will turn on our camera and we can scan the QR code where it will provide a link to the POLY Lens app. So let's get started with our POLY Voyager 360. You can download the POLY Lens app by visiting this URL on your mobile phone. So let's install POLY Lens. Once the app is installed, select Open. You need to check on this box and continue. We'll allow POLY Lens to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. We'll skip. You can actually enable now to find your device. Let's enable. We'll allow while using the app. Let's continue. We'll allow PolyLens to send us notifications. Let's continue as guest. We will allow. So it has detected our earbuds and the device is up to date. If you were to tap on the top left hand corner, the menu, there's a general setting where you can set up an account. There's an about where you can get the current release of the app. There's notifications and alerts for the various functions over here. You can have the user guides for your various Poly devices. There's a support and color theme. Now if you tap on the three dots and go to settings, you can actually do some customization for your earbuds. For example, for the custom swipe sensor, if the earbuds is idle and you swipe, it will toggle between auto noise cancellation or transparency mode. You can actually change that to volume when the earbuds is idle, or even doing a status check, or do nothing. We'll set it back to ANC and transparency mode. While you are in a call, for the swipe sensor, currently it is mute, but you can change it to volume while in a call, or even ANC and transparency modes, or you can swipe to hold and resume call or do nothing. We'll switch it back to mute. While streaming media, the swipe sensor is actually controlling the volume. You can change it to ANC or transparency modes, track forward or track backwards, or do nothing. Let's leave it at volume. So with the PolyLens app, you can do a lot of customization. So this is a quick overview of the touch charge case, and using the QR code on the charge case, you can actually download the PolyLens app for your POLY Voyager free 60+ earbuds.